Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like.
Can you ride your e-bikes in the wintertime, and what do you recommend?
Riding bikes in the wintertime, electric bicycles, yes. Most definitely a fat tire. So here's our lineup of fat tires here. So you can actually change the tires to studs if you would like. That's not hard at all. But definitely fat tires, because you just simply have more tire surface on the ground. And so the range of PSI usually 3 or 5 to 20 or to 30. So you want to lower that down. You won't get as much distance. But it's kind of like I described, like a tire, like a motorcycle tire only has so much surface, but a fat tire, deflated a little bit, gives you a lot more surface. So yeah, e-bike, electric bicycling in the winter is no problem, but just definitely recommend a fat tire. And again, if you're really serious, put on some studs, some stud tires, and warm clothes, obviously, and you're good to go.